If you have warm undertone in your skin, this is the video for you. Warm tone eyeshadow look is what I am going to create today. Just a warm tone eyeshadow look. Because warm tone eyeshadow makes warm skin tone pop. It brings out the warmth. It makes your eyeshadow look beautiful. So keep watching because I'm going to create one right now. I have no primer on because I don't want anything to interfere with the color that I'm putting on my eye. So no eye primer, no eye base. Just the eyeshadow because I already have my MAC powder foundation all over my face. So this is a warm tone eyeshadow look. I am not warm tone. I am more of a cool with yellow in the middle of my face. But I love to play with all colors. So here is the warm tone. I'm wearing gold earrings also to bring out all the warmth from the eyeshadow because warm undertone, warm skin tone, warm undertone eyeshadow. Gold is their favorite accessory. So that's why I have gold earrings. I don't have too many gold earrings. I maybe have 3 in all. But this is the warm tone. I'll find another warm to put in there. You see if you think of the sun, the warmth, think of warm undertone. And when you think of cool, think of the winter coolness, the grays, the pinks. But in the warm, you find the peaches, the orange, the yellow, the warm gold, the terracotta. Those are the colors you're looking for. I'm just brushing this color on because like I say, I have no primer. So if I try to do it like when I have eye primer on, it won't work as much. So I have to dab a little and fluff a little, brush a little to make it stick. I'm going to take a little bit of red and put it right here on the lids. Just trying to put a little bit of different colors from the red family, red undertone, just so you can see what they work together because they're both in the same family. There is a terracotta brown in there. I'm just going to take them, put it in the outer corner. I'm using the same brush, but I clean it with my brush cleaner. This is the eyeshadow look with the warm tone eyeshadows. Only warm tone eyeshadows. I use 3 colors so you can see what the warm tone looks like. Take a look. I use the warm tone blush, warm tone lip color, warm tone eyeshadow. I did not put a liner because I don't want to mix anything with it so you can see what it looks like on its own. When you create in your look, you can put your eyeliner and all the other stuff, but I did not put eyeliner. Warm tone eyeshadow look on a cool tone, on a cool skin undertone. What do you think? But I wanted to create those things for you so you can see. Today's encouraging word and today's I am is, I am precious and I cherish who I am. I am precious and I cherish who I am. I hope and pray that you cherish who you are. You are made in God's image. He loves you so much that He created you. Until I see you and you see me, remember you are precious. You are a precious gem. Please remember to share this video, hype this video. Please remember to share this video with someone else. It might help them pick the right undertone eyeshadow for their skin tone. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you always. Bye.